In October 2024, the S&P 500 continued its strong performance, reaching a level of around 5,820 points by mid-month. This follows an impressive year-to-date return of approximately 23.3%, making it one of the best-performing years for the index in recent history. The index has benefited from gains in key sectors like technology and financials, particularly as companies like Nvidia saw significant growth. Investors remain optimistic about the market, buoyed by positive earnings reports and easing inflation concerns. However, market analysts caution that the S&P 500 may face volatility as investors monitor macroeconomic factors such as potential interest rate changes by the Federal Reserve. Despite these concerns, the overall outlook for the rest of 2024 remains positive, with history suggesting continued growth after such a strong start to the year. The S&P 500 Standard & Poor's 500 is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 large publicly traded companies in the United States across various industries. It is widely considered one of the best benchmarks for the overall U.S. stock market because it includes companies from multiple sectors, such as technology, healthcare, financials, and consumer goods. The companies in the index are selected based on their market capitalization, financial stability, and liquidity. The S&P 500 is often used by investors to gauge the health of the U.S. economy and the stock market. The index's value fluctuates based on the stock prices of its constituent companies. It is calculated using a market capitalization weighted method, meaning that larger companies like Apple or Microsoft have a greater impact on the index's performance compared to smaller companies. Because of its broad representation, the S&P 500 is considered a leading indicator of U.S. economic strength and a popular benchmark for mutual funds and other investment portfolios. Thank you.